Morning everyone, I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today we are going to do a very special topic which is very important for you to understand, that how to save our environment, means how to save our surroundings, how to save our nature. Okay, so why we have to save our environment, our surroundings, our nature? Why? Because nature is the only thing which is providing everything to us so that we can live a beautiful life. Clear? It is providing us fresh air to breathe, it is providing us shelter to live, it is providing us food to eat, and everything which human beings are inventing or discovering, it is given to us by nature only. So we have to protect that nature so that we can live our life. So how we are harming our environment? In many ways. We are creating pollution, we are cutting down forests, we are destroying our nature, we are creating imbalance in nature, hunting of animals is there, so that all is creating imbalance in nature. So we can do small things to save our nature, to save our environment. Everyone can do. Even you are very small to do, you can also start this, and you can also help other person to do this. You can also inform other person, you can also educate other person how to do these small things so that we can save our environment. So to save our environment, there are 4 R's. What are these 4 R's? 4 words, 4 things which we have to do, which starts from the word R, which will definitely save our environment. What are those 4 words? First is reuse. Second is reduce. Third is refuse. And fourth is recycle. Very important to understand, very important to use this word in your life daily. How? Re. This re means again. First word is reuse, means use again. Very easy to hear, very easy to understand. But what is this? What thing we should use again? Reuse means, first of all, you all know that if we are consuming anything, if we are using anything, and after using it once, we throw it away. If we are throwing it away, either it will cause pollution or it will not be managed, the garbage will not be managed, it will create problem. So reuse means we should always try to use the things which can be used again and again. What I have said, we should always try to use the things which can be used again and again. For example, you are eating something in a disposable plate. You have eaten something in a disposable plate. Once you will eat your food in that plate, you have to throw away that plate, because that plate cannot be used. That plastic plate which we use once, we cannot use it again because they cannot be washed. We have to throw it. What will happen? Firstly, it is creating garbage. Secondly, it is made up of plastic, and plastic is only and only harmful for us. Clear? Plastic is harmful for environment also. Instead of using that plastic plate or disposable plate, what we can do, we can use the utensils made up of steel. What will happen if we will eat the food in steel utensil? Then it can be washed and it can be used again. Not only once, not only twice, it can be used for many years, many long years. So it is saving your money also, it is saving environment also. So try to use all those things which can be used again and again. Don't always go for the things which can be used only once. Clear? Next, one more thing is also there. If you are using any bag for carrying something, some bags are there which easily torn out. They cannot handle much weight. So don't try to use those bags. Use jute bags. Jute bags are very strong. They can be used for carrying heavy things also. So if we will use that, we can use it again and again. It will create less garbage and it will create less harm to our environment. Clear? Next, reduce. Reduce the need of unnecessary things. For example, some students, some children do, they always make their parents to purchase some things which are not of much use. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती है बेटा जो ज़रूरी नहीं होती और ज़्यादा यूज़ की भी नहीं होती. Still children force their parents to purchase because they like it. So reduce your needs for unnecessary things. It will create less garbage. It will create less problem for the environment. For example, instead of things, I'll give you one example. You want to go to the park, which is for example 2 to 3 streets far away from your home. Clear? So if you want to go to park and you are forcing your father to go on car or bike, etc. So instead of using car or bike, you can use your cycle or you can go by foot. So it means you are reducing the need of using vehicles, because vehicles use the fuels create smoke. So instead of using the vehicles, you can go by car, you can go by your foot or by your cycle. So it means you are reducing your comfort needs. Clear? Next, refuse. Try to refuse the materials which harm our environment. The very important is plastic. For example, you have gone somewhere and you have purchased a bottle of water. A bottle of water comes in plastic bottle only. So try to refuse purchasing. Instead of that, take water from your home only. And if you are purchasing clothes or something else from market and the shopkeeper is giving the packets in polythene bags made up of plastic, refuse to take. Either ask the shopkeeper to give cotton or the jute bags, or take your own handbags from your home. So refuse taking or using the things which harm our environment. And the last is recycle. Recycle means using old materials to make new products. It means some materials are there which can be used again to make new products. You know, the materials like plastic, glass, etc., they can be used again by recycling. If you are purchasing a water bottle and you have used the water inside that and you have thrown the bottle anywhere outside, if you are going traveling somewhere and you have thrown outside, that bottle will create pollution, air pollution also. It can create water also, land pollution also. So instead of throwing it out, we should send them to the area from where it can be sent to the factories. There are many factories which use old plastic, old glass, old metal containers, melt them by heating and make new products. So instead of disposing these materials on the soil, we can recycle it. Many a times, students, you have been given the activity to make best out of waste. We have given now best out of waste means try to find out the waste material at your home, which is waste material means which is of no use for you now, right? Then take that material and try to make something creative. For example, some students use sticks and make a beautiful pen stands. Some students use broken bangles and make a beautiful that pen stand also. And some students use the small pieces of clothes which are of not use, and they make a beautiful handkerchief, or they make a beautiful duster, and duster means which is used to make dusting. So like this we can use many things to make new products. It means recycling. So these 4 R's which we have discussed just now, reuse, reduce, refuse and recycle, they are the key features which can save our environment. These are not the big things that some special person can only do, or this can be done in factories and on a high level only. No, it can be done at your home also. So it should be started from your home. So what I want to tell you, beta students, you are the only one which can start these, and you are the only one which will make everyone present in the home to follow these 4 R's. Very important, because without environment we cannot live our life. Without the nature we cannot live our life. We have to protect our nature. It is very high time that nature, a great imbalance is there in our nature. So don't think that some scientist will start or someone will start. No, start from your home only. Firstly you will follow, आपको देख के आपके ब्रदर सिस्टर फॉलो करेंगे. टेल योर पेरेंट्स टू फॉलो, टेल योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स टू फॉलो. सो a single person can also start. So it's your time to start these. So pay attention and this 4 R's, follow these 4 R's and try to make others also follow these 4 R's. Clear? So I hope you all have understood. Now one activity I am giving to you. What you all have to do, you will start following these 4 R's, and you will make your family members also follow these 4 R's, and you will click a picture of yours also as well as your family members who are doing these things, and you will send it to me, and you will also write that what they are doing. They are reusing or reducing or refusing or recycling. So you have to click the picture. It is very important activity. It will be sent to CBSE, yours and your family members pictures. Clear? So this is very important for you all to understand. So do the activity. A very important activity it is, and do it very well. Let's see who can make many number of people to work on this. So you can make your mother, father. देखते हैं कौन सा स्टूडेंट कितने ज़्यादा पीपल को बताता है ये फॉलो करने के लिए, और कितने पीपल फॉलो करते हैं. क्लियर? यू हैव टू सेंड पिक्चर ऑफ दोज पर्सन. क्लियर?